Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of Slack or make it as dark mode. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all you will be needing to do is to change or to customize the appearance settings of your Slack. And to do so, you will be needing just to go to your preferences on the settings. Now we will be needing just to click on our profile picture, which is located here. And it might be different like on your desktop app since I'm just using like the web version. So we need just to click on our profile picture. Now we will find preferences. By clicking on preferences, we would have like many uh, or this pop-up menu that will be showing. And from here, we will need just to go to the appearance. As you can see, appearance is located from here. And now we can either like start choosing from light mode, dark mode. Since we are interested in dark mode, we will need just to use it like that. Also, you can start changing the fonts of your Slack. And as you can see, you can have like mini customization on Slack, or you can have it like that or whatever. Now you can start like having themes for your Slack. And as you can see, it is changing. So you can choose whatever you'd like for your Slack. And from here, you can choose like the themes, the uh, highlights or the colors that you would like. So as you can see, we have like many things that you can use or many pack of colors or palettes of colors that you can start using for your Slack. And you would have like classics ones or some one, or you can have, as we saw, like custom one. So you can choose whatever you would like for your Slack and like have a total customized Slack experience. So we can choose like for example here we can have like even like the highest contrast like colors etc. from here. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.